nest mounds keep chicks clear of the brine while they're still at their most vulnerable. But this generation faces a problem. The storms that come each season are arriving earlier every year. Rising winds create a storm surge that overwhelms the most exposed nests. It rains. The adults do what they can, bailing out their nests, but they can only do so much. The storm passes, but leaves devastation in its wake. The chicks are soaked and cold and will soon perish unless they can get out of the water. The adults are unable to help. The chick must save itself. Some years, no chicks survive in this colony.